Let's move our bodies as we sing and move along to the song Open, Shut Them. So we'll use our hands, hands ready. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, crawl them, creep them, crawl them, right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let your hands in. Are you ready for the next verse? We're gonna do wide and close. So we're gonna do open, arms open like this time, and then close like this. So arms out wide, out to your sides, and then closed in like this. Ready? Out and in, out and in, out, 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 in, out and in, out and in, out, 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 in. Next, we're gonna do up with arms up like this and down, arms down like this. Here we go. Up and down, up and down, up, 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 down, 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 up and down, up and down, up, 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 down, down, down. We've got one more. This one is with our voices. So this time we don't need to move our hands, but we're gonna change our voices to do the opposites of loud and quiet, loud and quiet. And if you want, you can move your hands like I did, but the most important part is that when we say loud, our voices are gonna get loud and big. And when we say quiet, we want to use quiet voices. So here it goes, are you ready? Loud and quiet, loud and quiet, loud, 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 quiet, 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 loud and quiet, loud and quiet, loud, 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 quiet, quiet, quiet. Have fun.